Everyone, Carl here, and I'm here to show you joins in hopefully 2 or 3 minutes. So we're back on programmers, and what we're going to cover is a inner join. This looks a lot like in Excel a VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP tends to work a little bit more like a left join, but we're going to focus on inner joins. And what this means is we should be able to join two tables together based on some unique identifier. Like we know that John Doe, customer 1, has an order. How can we get this in the same row? So we take first name, and let's just take customer ID from John. We run this, and we've got this. And in order to join, we can say inner join orders on customers dot customer ID is equal to orders dot customer ID. And now we just need to say from which table are we getting these columns. So we're going to take this from customers, and we're also going to take the item from orders. So we want orders dot item and orders dot amount. And if we run this, we will now see that John Reinhardt has ordered a keyboard and a mouse, and John has ordered a keyboard. Let's just quickly add surname just to make it slightly less confusing. Last name, and we run this, and we can see John Reinhardt has ordered a keyboard and a mouse, David Robinson a monitor, John Doe a keyboard, and Rupert Lorna a mousepad. Remember, it's inner join, and you need to have a key that has the identification of the customer on both sides. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.